Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel, Life as Danny. I'm super excited to have you here today. Hopefully you decide to stick around and subscribe. So I have another keyboard unboxing to do with you guys, so let's go ahead and get into it. Excited. Okay, so this is the Varmilo Minilo mechanical keyboard, 98%. I have been anticipating her arrival, so I'm super excited that she's here. So let's go ahead and open her up. Let's see what kind of accessories that she comes with. She comes with extra keycaps, a switch puller, which this one is really nice. So this is the USB to USB-C cord, and then also the dongle is on here, which is pretty cool. That's just so you can use the keyboard wireless. Those are all the accessories that were inside, so let's just take the star of the show out. It does come with a plastic cover, which is really nice for like storing, so dust doesn't get inside and ruin the keyboard. Oh, she's so pretty. Oh my goodness, she's even prettier in person, to be honest. Okay, so here she is, so beautiful. She has this like rose gold detailing, which is super nice. She retails for $159 US.